Hello everyone and welcome back to Taste of Home. Today we are taking you on a very special journey to a traditional farm here in South Africa in the Northwest Province. This isn't just any farm visit, it's a precious opportunity to learn from our late uncle who shared down generations of farming wisdom to us. On this farm, they specialize in growing vegetables and herbs commonly used in Indian cuisines, and they have a strong market for their produce. In this clip, my uncle was sharing his knowledge about the Calabash plant, which has been affected by pests. He explains how it needs to be treated and how the plants often recover even after treatment or when the damaged parts are physically removed. The calabash, also known as loki in the Indian community, is mainly used to make curries. It can also be fried, grilled, or served as a salad.
If it's spray, then it's
too much. Because it's another session, cotton steiner is eating this one.
It's because of too much water. This one is dying. One is dying.
But the cotton steiner, scare them, eat this one. So doesn't.
Same spray.
Yeah, if one spray, same spray. Same spray for minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, better.
Now, watch this carefully. This is something we rarely see in modern farming guides. My uncle is showing us how to remove suckers from maize stalks.
This meal doesn't come in this.
Oh, it's not meant.
Yeah, just meal. Look,
It's not gonna come.
Yeah. It goes.
It's better break.
Yeah.
Better break.
Yeah. Walk every time. Yeah. Walk inside.
Oh, it's supposed to come nice meal here, ne?
Too much water, Don't put too much water now. Because it's too much.
It's taking cows. The last time cow ate it.
Yeah.
Last time cow inside. But meal is coming.
It's coming.
No, this one is cow eat it and can come up in the This one cow eat it.
Yeah.
It's come here.
Yeah.
Cow eat it. But it comes in. You see? This cow was but it's coming, really.
It's coming. Yeah, you go inside, check this one. Come.
Yeah, I see.
Come. You know this one?
Yeah.
This one is this one.
Must go out.
Yeah, out. My house. Yeah.
Yeah.
This one is this one.
Oh, this one no minute.
No minute.
Okay. Yeah.
No minute.
Here is where farming gets real, dealing with unexpected weather. That season, there was unusually heavy rains. Listen to how his village neighbor explains the challenges. Notice how there's no panic, no frustration, just problem solving.
What I do?
You see, Uncle?
It's
Ready.
Ah.
Yeah, it's ready. Today it's lying down.
It's laying down here.
Maybe here is, maybe I can find it for nice one. This one I leave it for seed.
Oh, see this big one.
Yeah, I want seed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get his feet. Let's see.
I'm gonna give you one. Sir. I have maybe. I checked last time it was nowhere. This is my house.
Oh.
But I'm from this.
Okay.
This pumpkin is finished. Now it's coming. You see the small thing.
Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah. Only eating. It's now it's not selling anything.
Oh, for each one.
Yeah. Inside also.
Oh.
It's small. Yeah. You know, here was pumpkin like this, Uncle. I couldn't, you don't know. This size, Uncle, pumpkin. This pumpkin like this.
Big one.
Big. Too big. Too much big.
Actually, big.
Yeah, now you see.
No, but it's guy. But it's big.
Now it's big.
Yeah,
I can
it's
sell
big.
maybe 2-3 kilo, 4 kilo, I don't know, is there.
Yeah.
But I don't want to touch now. I want one time must be 12, 15 kilo.
Yeah, 15.
And I start every week. Yeah. Here is chili, also there is chili.
That's good. What about that one?
That one, brinjal.
Brinjal, yes.
Brinjal. This one is 2 months water, it can die. So now, slowly die, but it's alright.
This one is
Like this one, eh?
like this one is fat.
This one is not need on top.
Yeah.
This one is dying because of water, too much. Too much water.
Oh, you had too much water.
Yeah. You see, this one is dying. Too much water.
This one's water.
Yeah. This one is can come like this. This one, last week I sell. Now it's small. It can come like this.
This is how much this.
This one I sell a kilo 45 rands.
45 rands.
Yeah,
a kilo.
per kilo.
What is one? What you call it?
Brinjal. Is this one when you go to Spain?
Huh?
You're gonna find it. They're selling it in Spain. Spar, Upright.
I see.
Yeah.
Now, this is innovation at its finest. Look at this makeshift trellis for growing squash vertically. No fancy equipment, no expensive material, just practical problem solving using what's available. This is exactly the kind of thinking we need more of. In our suburban backyard, we've adapted this concept. It's not about having the perfect setup, it's about making the most of what you have. That's the true spirit of African Ubuntu, working with what we are blessed with.
Very big. You see, Angel, here it comes. It's done.
Yeah, sun. You know,
This
good
week,
sun.
this week I sell this one, big bug. Next, after 3 days I can sell 4 days.
How many 3 days, 4 days?
It's come big in 3 days.
Was there?
Angel,
Then,
come and check this on 3 days. It come like this.
yeah.
Yeah.
But this is you can get it. I can get this one. This is where can I get this here?
I'm gonna give you. Don't worry.
Oh,
Yes.
madam.
I'm gonna.
Yeah.
If I give you only one seed, you plan is get many.
If this video inspired you, please like and subscribe. More importantly, share it with your children, your parents, your community. Let's keep the tradition alive. In the comments below, tell us about your own farming experiences or what you've learned from your elders. Until next time, this is Taste of Home signing off. Stay connected to your roots wherever you are.